How to send the video via text message on Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open your messages app. Then go to new message. After that, you will see this plus icon over here. Or first simply add a recipient. After you have added your recipient, you will be able to send the video message via this wallpaper or gallery icon. You just have to tap on it and simply select the video and send it. Sometimes in some of the devices, this icon is in form of paperclip icon. You just have to tap on it, select photos or videos and then send it from there. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.